So guys, welcome back sa ating channel. Singson Meister nga pala uli. And today we are going to look at the Boruto Uzumaki from the Naruto series. Actually, Boruto Next Generation siya, made by Blackies. So this is the champion class Boruto. I'm not sure if ano ang scaling niya. So pretty curious ako rito sa lineup na to since wala akong naririnig na negative rito sa line na to. Almost all na nababasa ko and naririnig ko about sa company na to is always positive. So yan. So guys, reminder lang, this is a model kit. It's not a standard figure like your usual SH Figuarts or your usual Marvel Legends. So mamaya pagkabuo natin yan, makikita nyo yung scaling nila if it's compatible with your taste or it's bigger or smaller. I don't know about you guys if you like to mix and match your figures. For me, okay lang naman. So anyway, without further ado, let's start the video. So open natin siya. When it comes to model kits pala muna, before we proceed, it's optional naman. You can use a nipper. And for single cut, ito yung entry nipper. And second cut. Pwede mo rin naman siyang operate without these tools. Optional talaga siya. So kung wala ka nun, okay lang. Pero kung meron ka nito, I advise you to buy kahit lang ito to make it more cleaner and easier para hindi siya pinupwersahin. So yan. So yung fashions niya. Stand. Curious ako sa stand na to kasi sa picture ang ganda ng stand niya. Ayan. It's unique. So hopefully maganda siya talaga. So ito yung faces niya. As you can see from the plastic, it's already painted. In fairness, maganda siya. Maganda siya in a sense na para siyang comparable siya sa SHF sa unang tingin. So we'll see if mabuo natin siya kung ganoon ba talaga. Parts again, manual. So yan. Let's see kung ilang pages siya. Usually yung mga Gundam nasa 40 plus pages siya. So ito stand, likod, another promotional image. So yan siya. Brake parts ang tawag niya dyan. So hindi siya. So let's build it. Let's go. So before we start, napansin ko lang dito. His vest is made of soft rubber. Parang comparable siya sa SH Figuarts. So we'll see how it goes. This looks promising naman. Mukhang maganda nga talaga to. So what I do when I cut parts, natutunan ko to sa friends ko na nag-Gundam is, yan, let's say A1 number 3. So ito siya. So hindi ko siya directly gugupitin dito. So maglalagay muna ako ng parang konting space for you to cut. Yan. And then so pag nakat mo na yan, nakita mo yung mga parts na yan. Saka ko gagamitin yung aking display na tool, which is yung pang second cut. Ayan, mas cleaner siya tignan, no? Pwede mo rin naman siyang buuhin without these tools. Pero as a Gundam beginner, I highly recommend using these tools kasi it makes your assembly more easier. Yan yung kanyang faceplate. May pagka-shiny lang siya since model kit siya. Considered as model kit or blocks. So kayo mga customizers, you can use matte finish if you want. Pero for me, okay na to. Yun nga lang, ito nga. Hindi ko maiiwasan mga knob mark. O hindi lang ako marunong. You can sand it. Pero ako, I don't have that so many tools. So only have nippers. For me, this is good enough. Dahil I build and display lang naman. Yan. So let's go. Proceed tayo sa other parts. We're back. Sorry kung wala na akong time-lapse na may bibigay. Ubus na yung storage ng phone ko. So anyway, ito na yung nabuo natin. This is the torso again. rubber vest, painted parts. So nothing to worry about when it comes to stickers. Sa head naman, ayan. As you can see, ang ganda ng pagka-print. Yung kanyang crotch piece. Ayan. Legs niya. Arms niya. Again, painted. No more problems when it comes to detailing the figures. So, let's assemble him. Okay. So, this is the Boruto figure by Blackies. First impressions. Maganda siya, maganda siya. Very nice. I'm very impressed and very happy with the outcome of this figure. It took me around 47 minutes to build this figure. Kasi nga gumamit ako ng nipper and all. Siguro abutin ka rito ng 30 minutes with or without experience. Medyo, for me medyo nalito lang ako sa manual. There are some parts na nalito ako. So, be very careful when assembling dahil sobrang hirap tanggalin ng parts. Pero, ayan. Sturdy, shake test, whatever, drop test. Sorry guys. Okay siya. Okay, walang problema. Maganda yung figure. So, ayan. Ayan mo na si Boruto. So, after building, ano pa ba yung natitira sa kanyang parts? So, ito. Ayan, meron pang runners ng hands. Hindi ko pa siya tinatanggal. Yung Rasengan niya. Ayan. So, papasok mo lang yan. Ewan ko Rasengan niya. Ayan, 2 sets of hands. Well, 1. So ito, yung gripping hands niya is made out of soft rubber. So, para siyang yung mga SHF na Naruto if you're familiar with that line. So yan. Yung hands. Kunai. So these 2 face plates. Ayan. And 1 extra peg. I appreciate it na meron tayong mga ganito. We don't get this from Bandai. And lastly, my favorite accessory, stand. Ayan. Bandai will never make this. Yung ganitong kaklaseng stand. This is free dito kay Boruto. So if you purchase Boruto, meron kang ganitong stand. Ayan. Black stand din siya, para siyang Lego. This is unique for this figure. Hindi siya yung mga remakes from China stands like bootleg. This one is third year naman. Makakasupport naman siya. So yan, maganda yung base niya. Maganda siya. The rumors are true. Maganda nga yung Blackies. Ito pa lang si Naruto pa lang na meron ako. Not sure with other IPs, pero maganda tong Boruto talaga. So, size comparison tayo. Here we have the SH Figuarts Daima Goku. Boruto may be tall for you or shorter for you. Sa ngayon, wala akong Naruto figures pero since bata si Boruto, I think pwede siya sa size ni Goku, which is he's adult na. Marvel Legends, Deadpool. So again, if 112 collector ka and you want Boruto, chop suey ka, or hindi ka mapili sa iyong IP na kinokolekta, no problem. Red Bolt Studio or Kong Studios Broly. So balik natin uli sila. Tell me what you think. Kamusta yung scaling niya for you guys? How's the scaling for you? For me, this is acceptable for Boruto since he's a kid. Para sa akin, panalong-panalo yung scale niya. So, let's go. Articulation time na tayo bago pa maubos ang storage ng phone. Head is on a single ball joint. So yan, fixed na siya sa neck. Ikot, no problem. Up, down, left, right. So yung arms niya, 360. Yan. Biceps swivel. Meron siyang biceps swivel pero maganda rin naman yung kanyang ball joint. So yeah, tight yung biceps swivel niya. Double jointed arms. Let's see. How's that for you? Yan. Tapos ito, The diaphragm joint. Diaphragm nga ba to? I don't know. Yan, 360 rin yan. Pwede rin yan. Ayan, na problema yan. Nothing to worry about sa paint nito and sa materials dahil napaka-quality ng figure. So waist, yung waist niya is limited by the pouch on the back. Pero if you remove it, no, sorry, you can't do 360 regardless if you have the pouch or not. Yan. So legs can kick high that much. If you do, meron siyang drop down, so you can drop it down. Ayun yung highest niya, I guess. Spread. With the drop down na rin yan. Ayan. Okay. Double jointed knees. Let's see. Hindi siya umabot ng 90. Pero that's good. Okay na rin naman, no problem. Ayan. Tapos balik tayo sa thigh swivel. Very tight. Pero okay lang yan. Tapos meron tayo ditong ankle swivel. Tapos yung joint niya rito is like SHF. Can move up. Can move down. Ankle rocker. Tapos toe articulation. Ito lang din yung problema ko rito sa toe articulation niya. Hollow siya. Other than that, no problem naman siya. So would I recommend this figure? Yes, very. Definitely. Lalo na konti lang ang ating Boruto merch. Meron tayo yung SHF. I don't know how much that one is going for right now. Please, please, if you have this figure, read the manual carefully. Don't be like me na dire-diretso, bara-bara, and whatnot. Kasi mahihirapan kayo. So guys, let me know what you think. Comment down below, positive or negative, okay lang yan. Okay na okay yan. I appreciate it. Feedback, whatever, okay yan. Sige. Thank you guys again for watching and I'll see you soon if may bago na tayong interesting item to review for me. So bye! Please subscribe.